I'm going to kill myself, and it's your fault!
What's your favorite idea? Mine is...
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no. Can't do that. Here's a piece of it.
That's the biggest accomplishment to actually have done it. Helena Villa Killjoy. Guessing that's not your real name. What are you most excited about with Frank Iero and the celebration?
Have you read the new Ellen DeGeneres book yet?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
How is it?
Name me a lesbian. I only take girls though.
I can't hang with that.
You need to have an open mind, my friend.
Did I just go too far back?
No, you're fine. Do whatever. I would say interact.
that better not happen. Everybody's like,
Get your trick quick.
No, 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 no.
Have a sparkling cider.
That wasn't the right move. That wasn't right for me. I had to really, let's put it this way, I spent a lot of time in therapy, so just processing the end of a really long and impactful chapter of my life and the guys' lives, you know.
and then a full album, yes.
Received for his fireworks?
I don't know yet.
Yes.
Let me think of my answer. I'm doing another interview over here, and I'll get back to this interview in a second.
He's currently being interviewed by his kids.
Like your bride, 'cause the night she calls me, she calls me, she calls me.
Oh, thanks. For what? Well, there's a lot going on over here.
The best is yet to come.
Holy fucking shit. Holy fucking shit. We need more of Patrick Stump headbanging. Someone needs to make a petition. Please make one. I'm sobbing.
Damn! You guys are... You guys are moist tonight. I don't mean that bad. I mean, like, in a whole tour, I've not been dry this entire fucking tour with. And, yeah. I don't know what you said, but it probably just doubled how gross I just sounded.
Sure. Thank you.
Great thing. So, yeah, that happened. So I took that, I just wanted to get drugs. Then I come to find out I have a nervous disorder and ADHD. And later I would come to get depression. That was fun. But, yeah, it just, for me it was an excuse to get drugs. And then I hated the drugs. once I started taking them again in the band, and the band got bigger. And yeah, one day we were in Australia, and I looked at all my pills, and I just didn't want to be that guy anymore. So I'm sure you guys can see video, like interviews and stuff. Actually, here's a clip. Here's a little thing for you guys. There's a clip where me, Ryan, and John are in an interview, and John's like putting food to me, and then like I go for it, and he like takes it back. Yeah, I was heavily medicated on anti-anxiety, anti-depression, anti-ADHD. It was just, I was so numb, I didn't feel like a real person. I was in the sunken place. I was like in the shell of who everybody saw.
You just can't help but to think sometimes that, you know, the kids in the crowd sometimes.
Love me harder and don't be nice, please. I wanna feel you crawl.